In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your Disney Plus subscription with a family member. Now, Disney Plus actually has a built-in function for you to actually do this, but I'm going to be transparent and upfront before we proceed to this video. Unfortunately, Disney Plus actually charges you to share the subscription with your family, which is honestly infuriating, but if that is something that you're willing to do, then stick around and I'm going to show you exactly how to actually initiate that process. So, the first thing you want to do is you want to head over to Disney Plus and be sure that you are logged in. Then go to the top left or select on your profile picture. And you want to press over here where it says account. From here, go ahead and wait for this page to load in. And then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and press over here where it says subscriptions and billing. Select on Disney Plus and then monthly. Then it's going to bring you to a page that looks like this, and you'll notice that they're going to get this option that says invite an extra family member. So you can add a family member or a friend to your Disney Plus subscription, even if they live outside your household. So you're able to press on this invite button right over here. And then from there, you're able to go ahead and select on continue. So to do this process, you're going to need to add the extra member add-on, which is $7 a month. So that's honestly insane, kind of diabolical in my opinion. But anyways, that's enough ranting out of me. If this is something you want to do, this is where you're able to go ahead and do it. So you're able to choose one person to set up their own personalized Disney Plus profile, and they'll create their own login and password. And your extra member can stream on one device at a time. Bro, what? Okay, I'm telling you, man, what is going on with Disney Plus, dude? Okay. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry if I'm like ranting all the time, but this is just outrageous. But that is something you're able to do. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.